Intense sandstorm has engulfed Saudi Arabia's capital of Riyadh on Friday, wrapping the city in overwhelming residue mists that hampered perceivability, influenced temperatures and caused significant traffic delays. Despite being inconsistent to take place in this season, the tempest still made ominous conditions, creating warm conditions, with the maximum temperature at 30 degrees centigrade and minimum at 16 degrees centigrade.
طلعت من البيت الغبار هذا ويش؟ الرياض شرق الرياض سبحان الله.
The humidity level was pegged at 20% with the wind speed in Riyadh recording about 29 km/h. The Saudi Traffic Department in Riyadh has warned road users and drivers to be extremely cautious and to drive gradually while using headlights consistently. Individuals with respiratory conditions were additionally advised to abstain from going outside where conceivable.